The Ministry of Education says it does not support draconian measures for breaching school policies. This after dozens of students of Jonathan Grant High School in St. Catherine were sent home this morning for failing to complete assignments. Jamaica Maitland has the details.
It's minutes after 8 a.m. Friday, and instead of going to school, these students of Jonathan Grant High in Spanish Town, St. Catherine are heading in the opposite direction. Some of them in tears, and so we made inquiries. One grade 7 student explained that she was sent home for not completing an assignment.
Sir, one assignment, we not do them send home back for Gawia, you know. And one assignment, we not do them send home back, you know, them too wicked. Mr. Uncle for stop it, because one assignment not along. And one assignment, we do them send home back.
So how far you live?
Sir, I live again. I live at Central Village.
And where are your parents? Your parents at home?
Yes, sir. No, sir. Me a call her.
We observed some students standing with notebooks, pencils and rulers out in the town centre. Others told us they were going home, some loitering. We ventured to the school, where we also observed more students outside the locked gate pleading to go in.
Me do some about 2 me over, 2 me not do, and then send me back so.
Yeah.
Me go enjoy myself.
Can watch no? One assignment to do and them come and send me out. What that for?
When contacted, the school's principal, Dr. O'Neill Ankle, declined to comment. However, TVJ News understand that the students were given 4 weeks to complete several assignments, and if they failed to do so, they would be sent home. Parents are blasting the school for the decision.
We send our kids to school in the protection of this principal here, Mr. Ankle. If they don't do project, why you send out all the children outside on the road right now? Who's going to respond for them? Suppose something happen to somebody kid, somebody children right now. This is slackness. This is a big old slack. Watch, look on the pitting up on the road. What ministry do about this man here?
Meanwhile, Education Minister Favour Williams says this is not the policy of the government.
Dealing with children, we have to recognize that our interaction with them or the discipline that we use, we need to use it in a way that teaches rather than turn students off from school.
There was also a suggestion that the parents should have been notified.
Send something to us. I call a meeting and call it and make come and hear what him is saying and him hear what we saying. But this is a big disrespect, though. This is a big disrespect. We don't support this.
If you punish them in the school, you can't let them out on the road like this. This don't make no sense.
Jonathan Grant High School is on a shift system. This is the students' first week of face-to-face classes. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.